What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Alex Watts back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing some a gift I got recently, an early Christmas gift for my family, and it's technology based. And this is the best thing ever since I got my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah, I think it's Pro Max. Well, what is it, Alex? Well, today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple iWatch Series 6. Is that how you say it? It's the iWatch 6. Let's just say that. I got this recently for Christmas. My parents decided to give me early because I was doing so good and stuff in life and whatever. Well, enough explanation. Let's just get to it. So first, to unbox this, you guys start right here with the arrow. Peel that. Ooh. Peel off the plastic. Recycle that. Okay, so first thing before we unbox it, here's the standard Apple Watch boxing. Nothing but white. It says Apple Watch and a bunch of extra stuff on the back. You know, if I have one complaint so far, is that Apple Watch or Apple in general, they should make their boxes look a little bit more futuristic or different. You know, kind of the same thing with the. Let's see if I have an example. Like, you see, remember what they did with the boxing for the new iPhones? That's pretty cool. It's new. Well, this is just standard, you know. So so far, not starting off so good with the way you packaged your product. Okay, here, what's this? Ooh, the little flaps. Presenting the Apple Watch. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, okay. Ooh, look at that. Nice design in the middle right here. That's cool. Okay, here's the strap, and here is the watch itself. Where is it? Here it is. Ah, oh, here we go. Here is the main product itself. And here are some instructions. I ain't got no time for that. Here is the charger. That's the rest of the box. And let me open this. Okay, it's on the side right here. Man, it's not doing this good. Here we go. And here it is. Oh, nice gray blend. I think that's gray. Yeah, it's like dark blue. Nice. Let's just take that out really quick. Okay, here we go. 44 mm. Nice black design. Okay, let's just put this together now. This goes here. And I'll take that off. Click right here. Oh, and for the final touch, here it is, the brand new Apple Watch Series 6. Let's just put that on my wrist really quick. Ooh. Ooh, look at it. There it is. Man, nice. Ooh, it's much bigger than my last Apple Watch I used to have. That's good. No bigger. No, it's good. The thing the screen's bigger so you don't hurt your eyes. Crown seems the same. Strap feels brand new. Feels slick. And okay, it's not turning on because I need to charge it. Well, there you go, guys. That's my unboxing for the Apple Watch Series 6. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces, and Merry Christmas.